Okay, you guys, we are going to get started with making our baby shower centerpiece. The first thing we need to do, of course, is create our image. So I am going to rock with a girl teddy bear. Now, I already have her, so the first thing I'm going to do is go up here. Oh, I'm sorry, we are on Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to hit New Project. There we go. And now I'm going to hit upload at the bottom left hand side. Upload image. I'm going to hit browse. And I'm going to type girl teddy bear. She said there it is right there. Pop right up. Boom. There she is. Isn't she cute? We're going to rock with her. So I'm going to hit complex. Hit continue. Now, I want to remove the background, so I'm simply going to go over here on the left side where it says remove background, click that. Boom. Now, she's not exactly how I want her. I ain't really feeling her hair up here. Her fur, should I say. It's kind of wild. So I'm going to hit the eraser. Let's see. That's a good size. See that circle? So, yeah, we'll rock with that. I'm not going to make it any bigger for right now. Okay, so I'm just going to basically give her a little haircut and erase all of that because I'm not feeling that. There. That looks much better. I'm cleaning up a little bit over here. I don't really want to see that gray. Let's see if I can clean that up a little bit. Okay. She looks good. She looks good. I'm going to rock with her like that. So now I'm going to hit apply and continue at the bottom right hand corner. Click on my teddy bear right there where it says print and cut image. Hit upload. Boom. There she is. Oop. Now I already previously did that. So I'm going to delete this one because there's a little speck right there. So I'm going to delete this one. And we're just going to pretend. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes, we need to delete that. Okay, so there she go. So I'm going to click on her. Hit add to canvas. Boom. There she is. And I am going to simply stretch her out as big as Cricut Design Space will allow me to. I cannot remember how big that will be. So I'm just going to stretch her out until I see the little thing right here on the right side up here. So I'm going to click that. And your image is too large. Reduce image size to 6.75 and 9.25. So I'm going to make sure. So I'm going to change this to 9.25. See. Oop, oop. Let me do. Where's my cursor? There you go. 9.25. Boom. Okay. And that's it. So the width is 7.139 and the height is 9.25. So, oh, nope, I lied. She's okay. So she's still too big because look, thing popped up over here. So what was the width? Let me see what the width was. 6.75. So let's see how. So let me change the width. 6.75. Alright, that's good. I'll rock with that. So that's how big she's going to be. So I'm gonna put her over here. Now with our centerpiece, we're gonna do a balloon, a regular balloon that you will get from Dollar Tree. That's it. We're just gonna rock with one balloon. What you want to do is blow up that balloon, take your ruler and measure if you want to put words on your balloon, which I will. I'm gonna put baby girl. So I'm simply going to hit text on the left side and simply type baby. Come on, Cricut. Okay. I don't know if I want, I'm gonna capitalize that. Up. Then I'm gonna hit enter, girl. Now, I want to figure out what font I am going to rock with. So let's figure that out together. Let's see. Nope, not feeling that. Let's see what else. What you guys? I like the little heart. That's kind of cute. Let me see. But I like the cursive too. So, I'll keep scrolling. Let's see what this one looks like. Nope, I don't like that. So that's all I'm doing is simply scrolling down. Let me see. Okay, I guess I can rock with that one. Okay. So this is what we're gonna rock with. Let's see what else they got. Let me move this. First of all, let me move this down a little bit so we can see. Let me see what else. Let's see this one. Okay, I like that one. We're gonna rock with this one. This is Fling Standard. That's the font. Okay, now, like I said, you have to measure your balloon to see how big you will want your wording. Before I do that, I want to align. Let me see if I can align the center. Oh. Like that. Yep. The spacing is pretty good, so I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, so when I measured my balloon, it was like 2.5 inches height. So I'm gonna double that because the words right here, because it's measuring both baby and girl. But when I measured it, I just did one for one, for one word, which is baby. So right here, since it's at almost 2.5 right here, I'm gonna double it to 5. Let's see how big that is. So I'm gonna keep it locked, and all I'm going to do is change the height to 5. That should give me the size I need. Yes, and I can rock with that. I can rock with that. That look good to me. Right. Yep. And we're done. I got my words from my balloon, and I got my image. Oh no, I lied. We're not done, you guys, because with this project you're gonna need 2 of her. So usually I only do 1 for video purposes, but I'm gonna go ahead and do 2. So what I'm gonna do is duplicate her. Boom, there she is. Now I got 2 of her, right? Now I'm going to go ahead and flip this one. So I'm going to go up to the top where it says flip, click that, and I'm going to flip her horizontal. So now I got one going both ways, okay? So now we got our pieces. Boom, boom, boom. And for the words, you can do the exact same thing, but I'm not going to do all that. But like I said, the exact same thing you just did with the little teddy bear is the same thing you want to do to words. You want to duplicate it, and then you want to flip one. All right, but I'm not going to do all that. So we're good like this. So now we're done. I'm gonna print it out. Y'all hang tight and go ahead and click on that part 2, and we're gonna put everything together, and you're gonna see how we're gonna create this baby centerpiece.